Hey man, you know where I watch. Dancehall skilla.
Hey, what going on there again, you know? Blessed manners and respect to each and everyone. How the people saw. In a video that I'm about to present to you, a person said some words that gave me the understanding that the person talk about police. And the person shows some things that had been damaged. Now, viewers and subscribers, I think it would be best if you listen to what the person said police had done for yourself. I am not able to confirm if the words that the person said in this video are accurate or even true. However, look and listen to this video. And you can leave a comment or comments and let me know what you think. Observe.
Yeah. So I'm back at it again, people. Zane, this is a reason why me not vote for Andrew Holness. Me is a farmer. Me is a hard-working farmer. You see me? I spray upon and them thing that me have a house and me a bill and me lock up a room and a bathroom and thing out tight and me have me thing them in the house. Bear in mind, people, me don't live at the yard. Police come at me yard, force entry in my house and come. This is what they do, people. Cut up my spray pan, wire, mash up my internet. Them things are there on my wall where it out of reach. What can really possible in this for police? Zane, my phone people. This is a XR. Me have the phone in the house. Put on. When I go there, I can play a game on the phone and free my mind. Me look at boombox people. Police come and mash up my thing. Tell me now, Mr. Holness, sir. This is the reason where, as a labor right, me have to switch pan you. Can you give the police them one piece of power there where them abuse it right now? With regular member John public, you see me? Like myself as a hard working farmer. Zine, police don't come at me yard and they don't find gun at me yard. They don't find gunshot at me yard. They don't find coke at me yard. They don't find ganja at me yard. You see me? They don't find scamming things at me yard. Only thing they come see, me spray pan and me have my fertilizer in the house. This is what me have in the car now because me just a come from the police station, go report the matter, and I go head towards Indicub now. Me say me make a video. Me know no style. When you see people load up on we try kill people and I found the thing that. You understand? But a man have to dead and every man I go dead one day. So if you don't even do it, I saw it on. But me now keep silent no more because police and the first police do this and at this time I fed up and right now two police are kill people and I'll tell life on them. I'll fear for my life because why meaning of this? If you cut up my spray pan like this. Then come on me yard and say the whole around me house burn down and them thing that me a pray say me a go plant some sweet corn and thing and some cucumber and them thing there. Zine, me not depend on idiotness, brother. Me not depend on idiotness. Me not go road go involved in a problem with people and me and people mouth and meat. The only somebody me and them we have a disagreement and a woman has no relationship, no perfect.
Understandable.
But otherwise me and nobody now in a nothing. You see me? I'm not a wanted man. You see me? Me not a wanted man. Me not wanted by no police at all. In a Jamaica or in a whole universe, in a whole world. You see me? So me don't know why meaning of this, bro. Imagine if you don't do my phone so. What they got through in your brain? What you would do else? You see me? You know the analyze me then and say, boy, I shoot out. Me backfire and pound you. That I did no intention today. Eh? Me not live on my yard, brother, and I broke in my house. And mash up my thing. Eh? Una come on my yard and true me no rich and have no warrant. Me have my police family live right side down if you did do law work and just work. You couldn't call the attention because my family them the right did they so. My neighbor You could have make them look on the door and the door on the door peaceful and say you're Ray. If you even broke in on my house, then I say boy Ray. Me could have say alright then you don't do nothing, but at least you don't do nothing. Me have some little clothes when me do me farming and thing and come back. Me all a beard and me have little clothes. They don't take water and throw in my clothes them in a throw up my clothes them in a clothes basket and wet up a wall and me clothes them and thing and go on with yourself in most way. What all of this for? Them things are not necessary. Eh? You know a criminal. You know a criminal in a uniform. Cause me no see a reason for this. When you no look upon a thing like a spray pan now. Zin? Alright. Put them aside. Put them aside. When you no look upon a thing as this, what can this do? This help feed the nation.
The people based on
this burning land. So we can dig up the land for plant where we plant. This spray the plant for keep off worm off of it. This spray the plant for make the plant them grow.
You see me?
And have the right.
If so understandable.
Fullness in a hit and thing,
so,
you know?
I understand.
And you destroy a thing like this. So what not tell me say? What not set me figure do? Me need back a spray pan. Cause me be a bush and me a farm right now. Zin? And me look for my mother what and me tell my mother and me tell my family them, me say, you know have to take this labor right thing out of your brain. Cause to where we see her go on right now, we don't have no rights. In a PNP time, them a thing and they used to go on, our rights used to the herd. You see me?
What?
Rights used to the herd. Zin? So I report the matter to the police station. I get a receipt. So go show you the receipt, people. These are the receipt, people.
Oh.
These are the receipt, people. Sorry about that one call come in. So me get this for bring her in the come now.
Oh.
And every step I have to follow, me I go follow it. If me have to lose my life.
Receipt still. Because you know kind of get far from the time like.
Try to get me rights and try to get back my thing them. When the police them mash up, I saw that go on, that go be the case then. Cause me nah stop. You see me? Me I push 100% on this. Because the police them deal with the thing unjust. In 2022, me remember police come in an era and they circle me yard. Me have a house so me auntie dead left give me. And fix up my place nice and thing and police come in at my house. Then kick off my door, go in at my house, then thief 2 phones for me. You see me? Bear in mind, I wasn't there because I don't live in the area. As me say, me only come in at the area because of my farm. And they mash up my back door. Well, we don't go there way there. But they mash up the back door upon the house. Zine? And they mash up the front door upon the house, leading from the hall to the veranda. Or for the overseas people, them to the patio.
Listen.
Right? Them come, me have some drum around the house because water shortages and thing full of water. And if me come by and more if use the bathroom or whatever, me can have water. Them stab up a whole of me drum them. Them cut up the whole of the drinking jug them with water. You see me? And them thing a police are going with when time then come at your yard. You see me? See me just buy me spray pan, not even 1 month. And this spray pan no use, it don't use 10 times. If you can look pan here, you can see it. I purchased this spray pan in Black River. I purchased 2 of them. And I give 1 of them to my cousin and I have this one for myself. Because me and my cousin I did the farming and look what they do, people. Look what they do. So them are forced law-abiding citizens to hate police, brother. But big up the good police them still. Can you see some real police? But see this, I know I mean in this, they never did all mash up this. If they even mash up them, they never did all mash up this. And you say to you police, when mash up my spray pan, go suck you. I mean I like you. Me I tell you that straight. Yeah. I wish you rare set a thing them happen to you. This can help to feed the nation. Them thing a help to tap hungry. And this you do. You see me? Set me back in a life. Me is a poor youth a try life. A farming me deal with for a living. You see me? And this you come do to me. Broke in my house, you come mash up my spray pan. Them not even matter to me like how this matter to me. Me I tell you that. Cause this make me make money. When you see me fertilizer and you see me thing, when you see a farming me that deal with brethren. Me no gunman. Me no wanted man. Me no thief. Me no murderer.
Yeah, so when it comes down to some persons and them tools, I can't speak for everybody, you know, but you have some people who put them tools to a certain amount of importance. You see? I tell you, but listen to people, listen, I'm not saying or I'm not confirming certain things. I'm not confirming certain things. I'm not saying certain things. But if the words that the person said in this video are true, and if the words that the person said in this video are accurate, then it's set away, my people. See, me swear the person I hold one thing, it's set away, John. Person take it to social media. See the video there. So what do you think about the words that the person said? Do you agree or disagree with certain things that the person said? What? Tell me what you think. Leave a comment or comments. I think here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up and respect to each and every one. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.